Supreme Court has granted bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi excise policy case by the CBI. The Supreme Court even said that there is no impediment in arresting the person already in custody. Meanwhile, in a very strong and scathing criticism, Justice Bhuyan said that not long ago the court had castigated CBI by calling it a caged parrot. In fact, it even said that the CBI must take every effort to ensure fair investigation into the matter so that its perception of being a quote-unquote caged parrot is discarded once and for all. Justice Bhuyan even said that it is quite difficult to understand the hurry, the rush by the CBI to have arrested the Delhi Chief Minister in the first place. Celebrations erupted soon after the news broke in the Aam Aadmi Party office. Aam Aadmi Party has now said that since the court has already slammed the central agencies which come under the Home Ministry, and they have now called for the Home Minister's resignation. But the BJP, on the other hand, have questioned the celebrations by the Aam Aadmi Party, and they are seeking the Chief Minister's resignation. Okay, so that's the big news coming in, and what you're seeing right now is the celebrations that we were talking about. Sunita Kejriwal taking the lead, distributing sweets. It's one celebration after the other after the release of Manish Sisodia. Then, of course, K. Kavita, who was also related to the state, and Bibhav Kumar, who was charged for another, case against Swati Maliwal. So, a lot of celebrations happening in the Aam Aadmi Party camp. This after the Chief Minister was granted bail by the Supreme Court, which found his prolonged incarceration to unjust deprivation of liberty.
भाजपा के मंसूबों पे पानी फिर गया। वो लोग विपक्ष के नेताओं को जेल में डाल के सत्ता में बने रहना चाहते हैं। उनका मकसद ही ये है।
Let me go straight across now to Yash. Yash, in fact, is joining us from outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence where all the celebrations are happening. Yash, I don't know if you got a chance to eat one of the sweets because all the reporters are now being given sweets. Aam Aadmi Party clearly in celebratory mode. And Sunita Kejriwal thanking the court who came down very heavily on the CBI over Arvind Kejriwal's unjustified arrest in the Delhi excise case.
Well, Avantika, absolutely. Just moments back, Sunita Kejriwal with the entire battery of leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party actually stepped out of her residence to distribute sweets to all the people out here. In fact, you can see the boxes still being, the sweets still being distributed. And in fact, she also spoke to the media and put across a message that the kind of vendetta which was actually playing out has been actually falsified. And in fact, the courts, the truth is prevailing is what the Aam Aadmi Party has to say. We also heard from the top leaders. In fact, Manish Sisodia and Sanjay Singh addressed a press conference, and in that also, one thing is clear, the battle of perception which the Aam Aadmi Party was talking about from the beginning, the message which the Aam Aadmi Party was trying to put across, that see what is happening right now with the entire top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party is just political vendetta which is playing out, and in fact, CBI and the other agencies are actually only acting on the behest of ruling dispensation. In fact, you can see now leaders have started to leave from the residence. Also, Gopal Rai, you can see in the frame right now talking to the media.
गोपाल जी एक मैसेज
आप ऑफिस नहीं जाएंगे आज क्या हो?
नहीं, अभी हम लोग पार्टी ऑफिस जा रहे हैं। पार्टी ऑफिस से तिहाड़ जेल जाएंगे और तिहाड़ जेल से वो उनको लेकर के सीएम रेजिडेंसी हम लोग आएंगे। यहीं पे सारे कार्यकर्ता इकट्ठा होंगे।
So Gopal Rai actually talking about the plan ahead. They said that all will be going to the party headquarters, and from there they will be going to Tihar, and then Chief Minister Kejriwal will be heading home. So as of now, as per Gopal Rai, this is the plan which has been chalked by the entire Aam Aadmi Party's top brass. Because Avantika, it's very we know that the elections are here, including of the national capital and also of Haryana, and we know how Aam Aadmi Party has actually taken a bold step and in fact to go ahead and contest these elections on their own. So this time around, Arvind Kejriwal coming out of the jail and in fact campaigning himself will definitely be a big shot in arm for the entire top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party, because last time around also a lot of hopes were clinging on the campaign done by by Arvind Kejriwal, but they didn't fetch that many results for the Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, this time around, they are expecting some dividend out of Arvind Kejriwal coming out on bail. In fact,
बीजेपी को चिंता अब इस बात की है कि जो वो मंसूबे बना रहे थे कि अब राष्ट्रपति शासन लगा देंगे, मुख्यमंत्री नहीं है, अब मुख्यमंत्री बाहर आ गए, तो उनको अब समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करें। पहले दिन से उनका कुतर्क था कि बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही, बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही, अगर कुछ नहीं किया तो बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही। और ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद ऐसा हुआ कि अब सबको बेल मिलती चल जाएगी। सारे के सारे जो लोग थे जो इस तथाकथित एक्साइज के मामले में थे, सब बाहर आ गए।
डिमांड अभी भाजपा की रेजिग्नेशन की ही बनी हुई है अभी लगातार।
उनसे क्या फर्क पड़ता है। आज तो जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई के विषय में कहा है कि जैसे कांग्रेस के जमाने में पिंजरे में कैद तोता सीबीआई को कहा जाता था, आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दोबारा वो बात दोहराई है कि सीबीआई ने जिस तरीके से साजिशन निचली अदालत में बेल मिलने के बाद 22 महीने सोने के बाद उनको गिरफ्तार किया, साफ पता चलता है कि साजिश थी। और आज भी सीबीआई एक पिंजरे में कैद तोते की तरह है, इसको आज़ाद करने की जरूरत है। आज तो मौका है कि देश के गृह मंत्री जो सीधे सीबीआई को संभालते हैं, वो देश को इसके बारे में जवाब दें कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो कहा है उसके बारे में उनको क्या कहना है। हरियाणा एक्शन पर इसका असर पड़ेगा, सौरभ जी, आने वाले सब जगह असर पड़ेगा, पूरे देश में।
आज आया है वर्डिक्ट हो गया है, उसको आम आदमी पार्टी पूरा ट्विस्ट कर रही है। कोर्ट ने मेरा सवाल
हो गया, सवाल में समझ गया आपको।
ने कहा है कि अरेस्ट तो कुछ नहीं कहा है।
पहले दिन से ये कहा, और मैं दोहरा देता हूँ, बीजेपी के एक एक प्रवक्ता ने पहले दिन से ये कहा कि अगर कुछ नहीं किया तो बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही है, बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही है, बेल क्यों नहीं मिल रही है। तो भैया बेल मिल गई, मिल गई, मिल गई। अब वो तर्क और कुतर्क खत्म हो गया।
Should resign because the kind of words which were used by the BJP leaders from the beginning, they were saying that, see, you were not able to secure bail in the case, and now finally when Arvind Kejriwal has secured bail, then now they have a lot to answer in this very matter. In fact, now the cage parrot comment of the Supreme Court is something which we have to look at, because the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are going to actually take this forward, and in fact they will be trying their level best to actually make this thing the headlines, and in fact they will try to make this make their case that see, we were saying this from the beginning that this is all vendetta which is playing out, nothing else. Well, Dhol and Nagaras also playing out over here. So celebratory mood here at Arvind Kejriwal's residence and also at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. One thing is clear that today the Aam Aadmi Party is going to make the best out of it. In fact, not only today, but when it comes to the Haryana and Delhi elections also. Back to you.